Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and today you can see we're on the campus of Iowa State University. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's Jack Trice Stadium football field. And this is Reiman Gardens right here. And apparently, well, you know what? Come on in with us.
Apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
So one of the first things that we are looking at is the exotic butterflies, and I am really excited to look at them. It's such a beautiful and peaceful area to be in. Unfortunately, the angle that we're at, even when we're outside, you can't actually see the building, but it is the shape of a butterfly too, which is pretty cool. Okay, there can be up to over 800 exotic butterflies in flight when it comes from 80 different species. So it's always different and always changes when you come to see it.
What you got there?
Butterfly chart?
I guess so, yeah. And of course, the lawnmower starts up when we get out here. Lawnmowers like to run when we're trying to film. What's going on with you?
I was excited to come today. They have a display by the sculptor Alex Herreve. This butterfly was one example of it. It is called Glass in Flight. There's 21 insects throughout the garden that are on display. Beautiful. It took over 3 years to make these. Each of the displays have a little scan code on the bottom of it so you can get more information about the insect. There are just so many different flowers and plants. There are actually about 35 little gardens mixed in. I believe this one is called the Hillside Waterwise Garden. It has plants cascading down the side that look like water. So mixed into each of these gardeners then is one of these insects. These will be on display until October 8th. Here is Elmwood, the world's largest garden gnome. He's made out of concrete and he's great. Each of these gardens are a living garden, meaning they change throughout the year. So the displays are always different for the 4 seasons. The artwork, the sculptures, the displays change every season. The tower sculpture in the background has become their landmark for the garden. I believe they say that this horticultural garden is 17 acres large and was donated by Bobby and Roy Reiman. They were the ones who gave the money, the foundation for it to be built and for it to be kept up. The work that this sculpture did is remarkable, just beautiful. This display is here until October 8th. I know during spring they have thousands of tulips planted throughout the garden. The sundial there was just gifted to the garden from the 1914 horticulture garden, the original.
Okay, what do you think of that?
It was beautiful. I mean, first of all, the weather was perfect to walk around and enjoy it, and enjoy each of the little gardens. What I tell you, the sitting areas, the decorations, the variety of plants and flowers is unbelievable.
I can't believe there's so many different kinds of flower. I mean, just here. I mean, around the world, of course, but
Yeah, it's just it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Very peaceful. Very peaceful.
butterflies, they were fun.
Even not the butterfly house. There were still butterflies all over because of all the flowers.
Yeah, I think she said, what, 50 or 60 different species of butterfly?
in the house.
But yeah, you guys, you get by here, it's $12 to get in, which is a little high for some of these things, but the temperature today is
It's worth it.
right at
Enjoy it.
75 or 6 degrees, and with a breeze. Beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this up here. We love you guys. Please hit that notification bell. Subscribe. How many times have I done this?
Way too many.
Well, no, not too many, because
We still need subscribers.
that's right. Love you guys. We'll see you in a few days.
Bye.